Hi, welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve the programming portion of week 4 for the course Neural Networks and Deep Learning. I have already provided two problems, week 2 problem and week 3 problem solution in video. You can go to my channel Deep Codec Guru and playlist with name Coursera. In that you will get all video related to Coursera. So in two video I will cover this entire course. I am just solving the programming bits because a lots of my subscribers facing the problem. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please you subscribe the channel so you will get related video, educational video and so many online course information through my channels, and you can take the advantage of our big community. So now let's get started. So it is opening, you can see, and this is instruction, and I am not going to submit here. I am going from notebook. So I will go to notebook and I will solve from there itself. So notebook this and open notebook. So here what actually we have to do, you will implement all building block of the neural network and use this building block in the next assignment to build neural network for architecture you want. So here we are going to implement all building block of neural network, and in next assignment there is two assignment in week 4. There we will use this building block for the next assignment while we are creating different architecture for different mode. Right. So I have already done with those all assignment. I have kept the code, so I will just copy and paste code and I will show you the execution process and everything, so I can complete within the limited time and minimal time. Right. So I am going to do it. So here there is, you need not to write any code, you just press Shift and enter. This is run. And here, so here is there any code? Yes. Here start code here. So here we have to do some changes. This line we have to do some changes. Right. So I have already those code. I will go directly there and I will just copy those code. So these are the code we have to put there, right? Now copy it, paste. So done. This is done. W1. Okay. Now shift enter, and here shift enter. So you can see here expected and our actual result is the same. You don't worry about this equal to. I have already told you so many times repeatedly that it just go for those value, numerical value. And here this is initialize parameter deep learning. So here also the few code word is the code portion here. You have to do a little code here, right? So there is only 2-3 line codes, and if you still need the code, if you are getting difficulties by referring the video, then you can join the Codec Guru Telegram group and you will get all those code there. So right, and from this week only I started the Telegram group. So there is the little very few person is there. Slowly our community will increase there also. I am just putting those all copy and paste because here you know Python there in indentation error, so I don't want to go with that. That's why I am just copying entire code and putting, so I can complete within limited time. So here only we did this 2 line changes, not anything more than that. You can see always you can find that start code here and in code here. In that portion only we have to do any changes. In other portion we need not to do any changes at all. So now I am going to other linear forward. And also you can see here this one line we are doing changes. I will just copy this line and I will show you. Only we are doing few changes, but in Python you know well the indentation is very crucial. So we are going for copying whole code. I am going for that process. This is very little things you have to do here. Nothing more. This is linear activation forward. Also in linear activation forward, these and these 2 portion we have to do little change, right? This is linear forward activation. I will just copy the entire code and paste. You just check it out in your course and you can find what are the changes there, what are the given, like here start code and in code. In between that only you check out from the video and you complete it. You can see here again our actual and expected output is the same. And now L model forward. In L model forward also we have to do little changes here and here. After all, if you want this code, then I will share on Telegram group of Deep Coding Guru. You can join the group and you can get the code there, right? And in case of you are facing any problem, then please you do comment in comment section. I will definitely reply you and back to you with your answer and with possible help, so you can complete your course. Compute cost. So for this also we have all code I have done. So compute, okay, this. So how much the cost for particular algorithm what we implemented so far. So those all are the calculation here. We are just building all basic model here in this assignment, and in next assignment we will implement for particular architecture. Forward is completed and linear backward. Now we are going for linear backward. So this is linear backward. You can see those all our actual and predicted expected output is same. This is linear activation backward. So this is linear activation backward code. So you don't realize this is a simple course with a lots of information. If you have followed the whole courses wisely and thoroughly with the lectures, then you can very easily do it. Earlier we completed all those things related to forward algorithm, and this is related to backward algorithm. L model backward. So you need not to worry, you just go and check there where it has written start code here and in code here. In between only you have to do changes, you have to implement changes. So you can see the code. Alright. I know the code is sometimes it looks clumsy, so that I created Telegram group of Deep Codec group. You can join the group and you can get all the code over there. And now we are going to complete this upgrade parameter. The Telegram group, I will share the link in video description. You will go there and join our community. So this task is completed. Now we will go for file, save and checkpoint. So it will show here something. You can see here checkpoint created. Now I will submit this and submission is going on and submit succeed. So now I will go here and I will just refresh it, or I will go to week 4. I will refresh it and check it. So in first assignment, okay, it is not showing anything at all. Let me refresh it again. Sometime due to network and server issue and some modeling, it's happened. So let me go inside and check it. Our score is laser, I think so, laser. May 25, no submission is done. Okay, let me again refresh it. Sometime it takes time. The update is not yet due to server issue. Sometime it takes long for update. I will again create one checkpoint and I will again submit it. Checkpoint created and submit. Oh sorry, first it must be okay. Submit. I will go there and check it out. Still it is showing 0 0 0. Don't worry, I am refreshing it. This is the problem. You sometimes you feel like what the wrong has gone there, what the wrong you did. Your submission is being graded. Your graded is ready. The page will automatically refresh and your submit will. Now you can see here. So this is the thing, it happened. And L model backward has some execution problem. So I will go there and check it once and I will complete it. L model backward. Though you just need 70 score to pass this course. So I will one more time I will check it. I will execute it for you. Okay. Now when you execute 2-3 times, once you are not getting, then after some time automatically you will secure 100 out of 100. I have already done with this all, so you need not to worry. I don't want to take your long time, so I am just trying for the last time. Is it working there or not? Otherwise later you just keep on trying 6-7 times and at one time you will get score 100 out of 100. Now let me check it out. 19, 19, 90. 90. Okay, 81. The value is correct. Check me one more time. It's happened. Last time I am checking. otherwise the video will go long, right guys? Okay, succeed, and I have to wait. Okay, 36, the submission done. So I will wait. Still this code is not visible here. I am waiting. It is processing. Okay guys, it takes some time to evaluate it. So don't worry, you will get 100 out of 100. Once you do, keep on doing, then it's automatically come. This video is going long, so I just want to pause it or end it. Already we have 70% over. So thank you very much guys. Please subscribe the channel, and if you got this video helpful, then share with your friends and colleagues, and please stay inside home and stay happy, stay healthy.